Pullback strategy. Greetings and welcome to today's trading session. In this session, our advanced algorithmic trading system executed a trade using the pullback strategy, with a specific focus on New Fortress Energy Incorporated, NFE. Let's delve into a comprehensive analysis of our real-time trading performance for the day, highlighting this particular trade. At precisely 10:50 a.m., our algorithm identified a potential price continuation rally following the pullback from a recent high, aligning with our pullback long strategy. It promptly issued a buy order for NFE shares at a purchase price of $30.34. Following the entry into positions, NFE prices moved up as anticipated. 9 minutes later, at 10:59 a.m., the algorithmic trading system exited half of the NFE position at a price per share of $30.81 to secure profits, resulting in a gain of 1.55%. The algorithmic trading system continued monitoring the price movement of NFE. At 11:43 a.m., the system identified that the rally was potentially fading. It exited the remaining NFE position at a per-share price of $31.07, resulting in a gain of 2.41%. It's important to note that the market is dynamic, and the price of NFE continued to move higher after the algorithmic trading system exited the position. For a more comprehensive analysis of this specific trade, we encourage you to review today's live streaming session. Thank you for joining us on this insightful trading journey. Stay tuned for further analytical updates and strategic insights. Happy trading!